Hey guys, how you doing? You guys Googled commercial roofing, so I wanted to kind of show you some of the roofs that we kind of take care of. You know, these are just Google sites, Google images, so you can actually just Google these and see. These are all the roofs that we can do with our company. The name of the company we have is Pro Roofing, KC. We do roofing, we do painting, we do gutters, we do siding. You know, we do a lot of different things. Here's our numbers. You can get a hold of us, 816-396-6392. This is a little bit about us. We'll do insurance claims. We'll do any kind of claims that you have. So if you want us to do an estimate, we'll come out, take a look at your property for you. We have a Facebook page right here. You know, these are the boys right here. Let me see a couple photos. Where's all the group? Where's all the team? There's everybody right here in the business. So if you guys are looking for us, you know, you can find us on Facebook. Come on, open this up here. Find us on Facebook. That's ProRoofingKC.com. If you're interested, give us a call. Appreciate it. Thank you.